We out here, the Bass Queen. Out here with my boy LB. Yo. Out here in the lake, the Mere, 110th Street, Central Park. They drained a whole lot of water out. Look at this. A lot of water. This water used to come up to like right there. Now it's really low, as you can see the bottom. But I'm testing out this GoPro, just got it. Shout out to Kai, Mr. Daddy, and Bass Angler Miami, and his other man Chris. Woo, let's get it.
Okay.
Got one right here. It's all right. Oh my God, he's barely hooked. He's barely hooked. Watch it, baby. Watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it.
Big chance doing that, bro. You took a big old shit, bro. That's like a 3 or 4 pound, bro.
Woo, look at that bad boy, baby. Yeah.
That's a nice shot. I lost one just like that.
Oh, look at that. On the Strike King, baby. On that Strike King, baby. Woo. It's been a while, guys.
Oh, you're on him today.
Look at that. Beauty. Look at that. Bucket mouth.
Get him sideways. Yeah, one here.
You already know, catch and release only. Bucket mouth. About 2.5, 3. Woo. Beautiful day in Central Park, baby. Yeah. Bye, buddy. Get him, bro. Get him, bro. Get him, bro. How you gonna land him? Come this way. You gotta come towards his side, his side, his side, his side. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, he's barely hooked.
Oh, this fucking shit, bro. I swear to God, bro.
Just drag him. Oh my God. You heard them.
Hey, hold it right.
What I'm talking
Hold on,
about,
hold on,
boy.
don't pull it. Oh, man, come on, baby.
I'll just lip him, lip him. Oh, I got you, bro. I got you, bro. Good.
Yo, I was just telling her, I was like, yo, let me slow it
Good
down like
shit.
OD, bro, and look.
Good shit. That's a 3.5, 4, bro. That's a 3.5, 4.
He got me wrapped.
Oh man. Nice one, bro. Nice one.
Yo, I felt that.
Got him. Yeah. Second.
Oh, his second one.
LB got 4.
I'll be got 4. I'm all right.
Oh, this is a nice one.
That is a nice one.
Oh no, it's alright. It's alright. It's alright.
Yeah, right.
Woo! Oh shit. Woo! There we go. Fish number 2 on that Strike King red eye. Look at that baby. Woo! You already know we out here, NYC Bass Kings. You already know how we do, catch and release only. Ugh. Get him, bro. Nah, that's a fish. That's a fish, bro. That's your 3rd one? Well, your 2nd one, you lost the 2nd one.
Oh my God, another nice one. Oh my God, this is even better, bro.
Oh my God.
Oh my Lord.
Okay, take your time, take your time, take your time, bro. Take your time. Take your time. Who's that? You gotta bring him to loosen the drag, loosen the drag. Let him get tired, let him get tired. Trust me. Bro, you gotta take your time. Oh.
Here, hold the box.
There you go. Here we go.
Oh my God.
Here we go.
Yeah, baby.
Let's
Look at
go.
that boy, bro.
Look at that.
Look at this one.
Yeah,
We out here, bro. We out here. New York.
2nd one of the day,
New
he
York
got
City
one.
Bass Kings. You already know.
NYC Bass Kings, we out here. My man caught him on the loose smash. Woo.
Mock smash.
Huh?
Mock smash.
The mock smash by Luz. Look at that beauty. Look at that
Bro,
fish.
he wasn't coming off, bro. He
Caught
was
him
good.
on the Strike King.
Oh, he was caught good.
Good shit, bro. Good shit. Up on the Strike
Oh,
King.
your 3rd one.
Nice.
Get it.